HBAR crypto holders, this video is definitely going to get you excited. So HBAR has been the top mover in the last 90 days, up 519% compared to everything else in the overall market. HBAR has experienced a massive price appreciation here in the last 90 days. And there's a reason why, obviously. Many people speculating heavily right now on the ISO 22 plays. They've got a ton of various partnership opportunities with some massive companies, SpaceX being one of them. HBAR's tech is really unmatched in a lot of ways in terms of what they bring to the table. And the future of this bridging of the gap from TradFi to DeFi, HBAR is one of those major currencies that can help facilitate this. But we got some recent news outside the United States that involves $100 million, and I want to tell you guys all about it in this video. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already down below, and let's go. Let's get in here because the HashGraph group has launched a $100 million Web3 fund in the UAE. Now, we all know the UAE is a country, but what really is the focal point here is Dubai. And this is where some of the wealthiest people in the entire world live. And crypto in UAE and in Dubai, particularly, it has been flourishing for a while. And HBAR has been linked to the UAE for quite some time. And this even solidifies that. So the HashGraph Group, which is a Swiss-based international business, venture capital, and technology company, this is the company behind HBAR. And they operate exclusively within the Hedera ecosystem. They secured a fund management license through its subsidiary HashGraph Ventures in ADGM UAE. So check this out. $100 million global Web3 venture capital fund, HashGraph Venture Fund, licensed by ADGM's regulatory authority, which is, how everything is regulated in the UAE. This is the Financial Services Regulatory Authority in that country. So HashGraph Ventures Manager will make strategic investments in deep tech companies that are developing innovative solutions in AI, Internet of Things, and everything blockchain, decentralized ledger technology, robotics, and quantum computing related. So quantum computing has been a big topic of discussion as of late. And those projects, those companies in the crypto space that are basically preparing for quantum computing, I think are going to have a big leg up. And HBAR is one of those. This is one that I think goes unnoticed quite a bit, being HBAR. Obviously, now with the price appreciation we've seen over the last 90 days or so, really the last month and a half, many people are spotlighting it again or taking a deeper look at it. But it's been around for a while, and their technology is unique, right? They use HashGraph technology, not necessarily blockchain tech. But the HashGraph Association is seeding the HashGraph Venture Fund as an anchor investor with $20 million, representing 20% of the total fund size. Benefiting companies will have access to THG's well-established Web3 venture studio programs, which right now are actively shaping and enabling portfolio companies through expertise in engineering, productization, and commercialization. So THG operates venture studios across Qatar, KSA, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and Morocco already. And now they're getting heavily here invested with this Web3 venture studio. The Strategic Web3 Venture Fund in the UAE, this one in particular that we're highlighting here, is going to be focusing on generating attractive long-term returns by investing in proven early stage and well-established companies, utilizing deep tech to build and commercialize enterprise grade solutions and products for the Web3 economy. And when we talk about enterprise, right, we're talking about big business, big companies, and there aren't very many crypto companies out there right now that are really able to scale to that level. Many people say they are, right? Many people say they're able to do so. But HBAR, given how their technology works, they are actually at the forefront of enterprise grade solutions. They can scale a lot faster than most of its competitors. Now, Stefan Dice, co-founder and CEO of HashGraph Group, had this to say about the news. We received a lot of interest in our regulated Web3 Ventures Fund from existing co-investors and ecosystem partners, including government institutions, sovereign wealth funds, VC firms, and various family offices, and obviously other institutional players. With extensive expertise in Web3, we are focused on generating attractive returns through investments in companies that leverage the convergence of deep tech intersecting on the Hedera DLT network. And this, again, I think solidifies HBAR's place right now in the global economy when it comes to Web3. And it solidifies HBAR as a future crypto that many, many people, I think, are starting to wake up to the idea that, hey, these guys are serious. They're forming strategic partnerships and alliances with some of the wealthiest nations in the world, and their tech is obviously unrivaled, considering they use a very unique HashGraph technology. And Hedera right now is in the top 20. It's sitting here at an $11 billion market cap. And I want to give you kind of a brief breakdown because a lot of people knew coming into the markets. So why is this so unique? And it says it right here at the top. It's an enterprise grade public network for the decentralized economy, allowing individuals and businesses. So it's focused on both sectors here to create powerful decentralized applications. It's designed to be a fairer, more efficient system, eliminating some of the limitations that some of the older, blockchain-based platforms that claim to be enterprise grade, but they're just slow, right? They're clunky. They're not as fast. They're not as efficient. This thing was funded through an initial coin offering ICO in August 2018. The HBAR token has a dual role within the Hedera public network. First and foremost, HBAR is the fuel that powers Hedera's services such as smart contracts, file storage, and regular transactions. But secondly, it's used to help secure the network as well, because HBAR users can stake their tokens in order to assist with maintaining the integrity of the entire ecosystem and platform. So Hedera HashGraph, what is this? What makes this so different? It's distributed ledger tech, but according to the project website, Hedera differs from other blockchains because it uses a new consensus algorithm that's called HashGraph. It intends to process and execute transactions way faster by eliminating many delays and smooth out the transaction per second indicator as well. HashGraph is claimed to be an upgrade compared to many other blockchains out there when it comes to transaction speed, transaction cost, and the ability to scale the network overall. And this is why it's been so attractive to so many, sovereign wealth funds, so many governments, and why you're seeing big players invest in the future of the Hedera ecosystem and the future of HBAR. So that's just some big news here on Hedera's front. We're close to 30 cents again. We've had an unbelievable run up here in the last month. We topped out at around 38, almost 39 cents here in the last month. And then we had another pop up here just about 12 days ago to about 33, 34 cents. HBAR looks really, really strong. We're still about 50% away from its all-time high. So I still think there's some nice growth opportunity here with HBAR, especially given, where we are in this cycle and with Trump coming in, a new crypto czar, a new crypto committee being formed. These are the type of companies that I think are going to be looked at by big players and big investors here over the next several months. So appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. And also, if you're interested in checking out my indicator, my trading indicator, it's xtalgo.com. 21% off coupon code on all packages right now. Makes for a nice Christmas present, either for yourself or for somebody else. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. A little over $1 a day gets you started, and this will definitely help you level up your trading and help you make more money in crypto. I walk you through how to use it. Don't get worried. It's not a hard process at all, but I took some time out to give you like a step-by-step tutorial on how this thing works. And you'll be off and running in like 20 or 30 minutes and be ready to, trade cryptos like a pro. All right. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.